In this podcast episode, Peter Attia discusses the concept of Medicine 3.0, which focuses on prevention rather than just treating acute problems. He emphasizes the importance of delaying the onset of chronic diseases such as heart disease, dementia, and cancer, which can be achieved through lifestyle factors such as nutrition, exercise, sleep, and emotional health. Attia explains that there are three main strategies for reducing energy intake: caloric restriction, time restriction, and dietary restriction. Caloric restriction involves directly reducing energy intake, while time restriction focuses on when to eat, and dietary restriction involves cutting out specific foods from the diet. He discusses the impact of different diets, such as ketogenic and vegan diets, on energy balance and weight loss. Attia emphasizes the importance of protein intake and explains that the recommended dietary allowance of protein is often lower than what individuals actually need. He recommends spreading out protein intake over multiple meals to ensure adequate muscle protein synthesis. He also discusses the impact of intermittent fasting on protein intake and muscle loss, highlighting the need for thoughtful protein consumption, especially for individuals following an intermittent fasting regimen. The conversation shifts to the topic of autophagy, a process of cellular self-cleaning that occurs in nutrient absence. Attia explains that exercise can also induce cellular energy reduction and trigger autophagy. He recommends a combination of high-intensity interval training and steady-state moderate-intensity exercise to optimize the benefits of exercise for overall health. Attia shares his preference for wild game as a source of protein, emphasizing the importance of consuming animal protein that closely resembles the animal's natural diet. He discusses the ethical and health considerations of harvesting wild game, highlighting the benefits of consuming meat from animals that are stress-free and eating their natural diet. The conversation delves into the topic of cholesterol and lipoproteins, clarifying the misconception that dietary cholesterol directly impacts blood cholesterol levels. Attia explains that cholesterol is essential for the body and is produced by every cell, but its transportation in the bloodstream requires lipoproteins. He emphasizes the role of different types of lipoproteins, such as low-density lipoprotein, LDL, and very low-density lipoprotein, VLDL, in promoting the destruction of arteries. Attia emphasizes the need for a new approach to medicine, focusing on prevention and delaying the onset of chronic diseases. He highlights the importance of lifestyle factors, including nutrition, exercise, sleep, and emotional health, in achieving optimal health and longevity. He encourages individuals to take a proactive approach to their health and seek a balance between pharmacological interventions and lifestyle modifications. Attia emphasizes the importance of understanding the quality of calories consumed rather than simply focusing on the quantity. He explains that certain types of lipoproteins, such as low-density lipoprotein LDL and very low-density lipoprotein VLDL, have the potential to get stuck in artery walls, leading to health issues. He also discusses the role of oxidation and inflammation in the development of arterial plaque, which can lead to heart attacks. Attia highlights the significance of dietary choices in preventing these health issues, and he advocates for intermittent bouts of caloric restriction as a means of promoting overall health. Attia delves into the debate about whether a calorie is just a calorie, emphasizing the importance of considering the quality of calories in addition to their energy content. He explains that the nutritional value of food and its impact on health go beyond simple caloric intake. He also discusses the potential benefits of fasting and time-restricted feeding as part of a healthy nutrition strategy. Attia shares his perspective on the pursuit of longevity, acknowledging that his primary motivation is driven by a desire to live longer. He discusses the need to address emotional well-being and personal growth as essential components of a fulfilling life. He also reflects on the challenges of self-improvement and the importance of seeking clarity and understanding in one's motivations and actions. Attia candidly discusses his own insecurities and the role they play in driving his personal growth. He acknowledges the impact of emotional detachment, rage, and obsession on his life, and the need to develop new tools for self-improvement. He emphasizes the importance of self-awareness and the willingness to confront one's own shortcomings in order to achieve personal growth and emotional well-being. Attia highlights the significance of human connection and emotional well-being, emphasizing the impact of isolation on mental health. He presents thought experiments to illustrate the importance of meaningful connections and purpose in life, suggesting that without these elements, living longer may not necessarily be a blessing. He emphasizes the need for a sense of purpose and meaningful relationships as essential components of a fulfilling life. Attia shares his personal journey of self-improvement and the challenges he has faced in confronting his own insecurities and emotional struggles. He emphasizes the importance of seeking support from others, including therapists and loved ones, in the pursuit of personal growth and emotional well-being. He also discusses the need for patience and forgiveness in the process of self-improvement, acknowledging that making mistakes is a natural part of the journey. Attia discusses the four main causes of death in the first world, which he refers to as the horsemen of death. These include diseases of atherosclerosis, heart disease and stroke, cancer, neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, and metabolic diseases, including diabetes. He explains that these diseases are the primary causes of death and that addressing them is crucial for increasing lifespan and health span. Attia emphasizes the importance of taking a comprehensive approach to health and longevity. He discusses the need to address emotional health, sleep, stress, nutrition, exercise, and supplements in order to reduce the risk of chronic diseases and increase lifespan. He also highlights the importance of identifying genetic predispositions and taking proactive measures to mitigate the risk of developing certain diseases. Attia shares details about his own health regimen, including the use of lipid-lowering drugs and the drug rapamycin. He explains that his family history of heart disease has influenced his decision to take these medications in order to reduce his risk of developing heart-related issues. He also discusses the importance of balancing the benefits and potential side effects of medications in order to make informed decisions about their use. Attia discusses the importance of exercise and physical performance in maintaining health and longevity. He emphasizes the need for a personalized approach to exercise, focusing on maximizing muscle load while minimizing joint loading. He also highlights the importance of maintaining balance, flexibility, and functional movement as key components of physical fitness, especially as one ages. Attia introduces the concept of creating a new sport focused on being a kick-ass 100-year-old. He suggests that individuals should train for longevity by incorporating a variety of exercises and movements that are essential for maintaining physical function and independence in older age. He emphasizes the need to develop a bespoke routine that aligns with the goal of being a healthy and active centenarian. Attia addresses the importance of cardiovascular health and aerobic capacity in promoting longevity. He explains that VO2 max, which is often associated with heart and lung function, is actually more related to muscle utilization of oxygen. He emphasizes the need to focus on building aerobic base and improving muscle function to support overall cardiovascular health and endurance. Attia highlights the significance of adequate sleep for overall health and longevity. He emphasizes the need to address sleep issues, such as insufficient sleep duration or poor sleep quality, as a priority. He explains that sleep deprivation can have a detrimental impact on various aspects of health, including cognitive function, metabolism, and immune system function. He suggests that addressing sleep problems should be a primary focus for individuals seeking to improve their health and longevity. Attia discusses the importance of exercise for maintaining muscle function and overall physical health. He explains that high-intensity endurance athletes often have efficient muscles that are capable of extracting a significant amount of oxygen from the blood. He emphasizes the need to train different energy systems and avoid focusing solely on high-intensity interval training. He also highlights the importance of joint health and avoiding orthopedic injuries, particularly as individuals age. In the context of cancer research, Attia provides insights into the challenges and advancements in cancer treatment. He discusses the limited progress in overall cancer survival rates and the potential of immunotherapy as a promising approach. He explains that enhancing the immune system's ability to recognize and target cancer cells is a key focus in current cancer therapy research. He also emphasizes the need for personalized approaches to cancer treatment based on individual genetic factors and immune system function. Attia addresses the topic of the microbiome and its impact on gut health. He acknowledges the importance of the microbiome in overall health, but expresses caution about the current understanding and practical applications of microbiome research. He emphasizes the need for evidence-based approaches to microbiome-related interventions and highlights the lack of reliable information on the effectiveness of many microbiome-related products and treatments. Attia discusses the importance of maintaining muscle mass and strength for long-term health and independence. He emphasizes the need to assess individual muscle mass and consider factors such as protein intake, exercise, and mobility. He suggests that maintaining muscle strength and function is essential for activities of daily living, such as lifting and carrying objects, as well as for overall physical health and longevity. Throughout the podcast, Attia emphasizes the need for a personalized approach to health and longevity. He highlights the complexity of individual health needs and the importance of addressing specific factors that may impact overall well-being. He encourages individuals to consider their unique circumstances, including sleep patterns, exercise habits, diet, and medical history, when making lifestyle choices to optimize health and longevity.